Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix Google Chrome not working in Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases your Google Chrome is not working in your desktop or laptop. So if you want to fix this, I will share it within two steps how you can fix that. First off, which is very easy and very basic. If you try with this, maybe your Google Chrome going to be work. So what you have to do is to click in your Google Chrome. You might be have a desktop shortcut your Google Chrome. So you just need to right click over on it and then click here show more options and then click here properties and then you need to click here open file location. After click over open file location, you're going to see here is a Chrome appear. Just right click over on it and then click here rename and just in the last section type dot and then bring your mouse anywhere. After that, right click over on it again and then click here show more options and click here create shortcut. And then you're going to see a pop-up appear. Just click here yes and now close this skin and then we're going to see we have now two Google Chrome. We're going to delete the first one and then we're going to keep the second one and try to open and see is it your Google Chrome is working or not. Hopefully within this step your Google Chrome going to be work. If it is not work, let me share it to you the second step. To go in your Windows 11 search bar and then type here control, you're going to find control panel. So just open this control panel and then you're going to see a screen appear just like this. You need to click here these programs and then you need to click here again programs and features. And from here, we're going to uninstall our Google Chrome. After going to uninstall, we're going to see that Google Chrome has successfully uninstalled from our desktop or laptop. After done uninstalling, to go in Windows 11 search bar and then type here percentage temp percentage. And then in the base mesh section, you're going to find something say file folder. And here you're going to see there is a bunch of file going to be appear. You need to choose select all by pressing Ctrl A to select all of them and then right click over on it and then click here delete and then we're going to see the file has deleted and then close this screen again go in your Windows 11 search bar and type here percentage APPDATA and then type here percentage and then you're going to find your AppData. Open this also same in to go in here and it will directly take you the remaining section. To go just click over here, it will take you this screen. Here to click the local and then you're going to find here Google Chrome browser folder. Just right click over on it and delete this and restart your PC and after that again open your any other additional browser and then go here search in the Google or anywhere type Google Chrome and then you're going to find here Google Chrome and download this Google Chrome in your desktop or laptop and after that install this Google Chrome and hopefully within this step your Google Chrome you're going to be fixed. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.